How to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app and make sure that you logged into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right. Navigate to the gear icon at top right to access settings. Now select general and here you need to choose appearance option. A menu box appears where you have to choose dark theme. Currently, it has been set to light theme. So let's tap on dark theme to turn on dark theme. And as you can see that we have successfully turned on dark mode on YouTube app. In case if you would like to turn on the light mode, you can follow the same step to turn on light mode and turn off dark mode. So I hope this guide was helpful to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.